Hi Leos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Leos, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys, we are picking these cards, Leos. So, these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, guys, and this card is for your career circumstance, Leos. For your moon energies today, guys, I'll be picking one card. So, this is the card. And for your love guidance, we have this card. We will see what are these cards as we proceed into the reading, Leos. And if you like this reading, if it resonates, please like and comment, guys. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And if you are interested in a personal reading, I have a very good friend of mine doing personal reading in Fever, so you can contact her. I have given her link in the description, guys. So, Leos, let's start with these cards for your general energies first, guys. We have Five of Swords in reverse, Eight of Cups in reverse, and Page of Cups. So, Leos, in your circumstances today, maybe in your work or in your personal life, in your relationship, you are facing a lot, maybe doing your best. You are making a lot of efforts today, guys, and you want to do things the right way. So, you are really focused, trying to do your best, and maybe in uh, some circumstances you are finding it really difficult because there are people opposing you, opposing your ideas, or competing with you, and that is making the circumstances more stressful. And you need to be really patient, willing to work in a very harmonious way to maintain that balance. So, circumstances are really testing you today, guys, and you have a lot of, what to say, you need a lot of patience and perseverance if you want to see things go in a positive way. Leos, control yourself. You are trying to control yourself today. So, circumstances are testing you. So, even in your relationship, that may be the case. So, maybe you may see a lot happening in your relationship. You may be quite emotional, and this person or your personal life circumstance itself is really testing you, and you are just holding on, waiting to see some change today. And Leos, in your situation, you need not worry, guys, because there is something good coming to you today, something really positive. It may be a good news from this person. Maybe you were expecting some good news. It may be an arrival of a child. Maybe you're planning to have a child together. Or it may be a good news in your work situation, some good news you were expecting. And things are going in a very positive way for you, guys. Leos, your patience is really working in a magical way. Maybe this person is understanding you better now. They see you in a better light now because of your patience and because of your, what to say, that attitude you have no matter what the circumstances are. and maybe they are even thinking of marriage or commitment with you guys. And there is great celebration and joy today in your circumstances, Leos. Maybe you are celebrating this relationship, or you are celebrating your success story in your work, or it may be their energy. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. We picked one card and it is Seven of Wands. So though you are having some struggles in this relationship, you may be trying to do things in a very positive way, but still there are challenging circumstances for you, but still you are having that advantage. Maybe the way you handle your circumstances, the way you are patient and loving towards this person is going to change their mind, and maybe that may be the reason they are thinking of marriage or commitment with you, and they have realized your worth because of your actions, guys. So that is what I see with these cards, Leos, for your relationship. So for your career, we picked one card. Let's see what it is. It's Four of Swords in reverse. So in your work situation, guys, you need to be quite careful, think it through whatever decisions you are making. So if you are in that circumstance, maybe making some important choices for yourself regarding some projects or assignments, whatever it may be, guys, you need to think it through, think twice before you make that decision. That is going to help you a lot today, Leos. So for your moon energy, Leos, we picked one card and it says communication is the key. New moon in Gemini. So this card just means that you are wishing to tell this person something, or maybe they want to tell you something important, and communication is going to help you today. And maybe if you are single, Leos, there is someone really interesting coming towards you. They want to just chat with you, know you, and they are simply falling in love with you, guys, and they just want to be with you here if you are single. But if you are someone in a relationship, this card means clear communication. You need to talk things through. So whatever you want to tell them, you can just send them messages or emails. Tell them what you truly feel and start fresh. Maybe give them your point of view, then move forward, maybe trying to find that understanding and start again. Or maybe if you are dealing with someone close to you in your family, you need to wipe that slate clean, guys, and start fresh. So that is the energy here, guys, with this card. And for your love guidance, we picked one card. So it says detachment. So detachment means having that different point of view in our circumstances. So when we change that point of view, things are going to appear more clear and we will feel more calm and still. We will feel that balance in our circumstances, guys. So that is what this card is about. So you need to release all your past situation and hurts. By that you are just giving yourself freedom to progress on your life path and also at the same time you are also liberating those people involved. So you are what to say, letting universe take away that uncertainty, doubt and regret, and you are going to replace it with hope, belief and contentment. And handling our circumstances in a detached way, guys, is going to give us that calmness, stillness of our mind, and that is going to make us see things more clearly, more objectively. And each and every day we will be tested. So we need not what to say, feel that certain things are bad or good, but see situation as it is without letting go of that balance and peace of mind. So when you do that, you will do things in the right way, guys, and you will make the right decisions for yourself, Leos. So that is the reading with this card, guys, and that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading, if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.